Does your washing machine have NZP? Because if it doesn't have NZP, it isn't a complete washing machine. For starters, NZP is near zero pressure, a patented technology in washing machines from Haier. Haier's top-loading washing machines with NZP technology not only wash better, they wash excellent at near zero water pressure too. Whereas a conventional machine does not even operate at low pressures. In a Haier washing machines with NZP, when the feeble water streak touches the water inlet valve, it opens to let the water pass through. Washing process is carried out as efficiently as in case of full pressure. Even at the pressure of 10 cm, water washing results are great. Haier's washing machines come with intensive cleaning, jet stream technology, double level spin tub, rust-free body and digital display. So whether the pressure is low or in full flow, you need Haier washing machines with the must-have NZP technology. Haier, inspired living.